Hi guys, I'm Jill Price from Remax All-Stars. Life doesn't get much better than this, just sitting by the fire, enjoying my morning coffee, overlooking the lake and wildlife. How amazing is this kitchen? You don't know how many friends you have until you own a cottage like this. My favorite part is the quartz countertop and also the sea glass backsplash. This lake system is actually part of the Ottawa River. So this is the Madawaska River, which opens up to Kamaniskeg Lake at the mouth just down there. It offers pickerel, pike, lake trout, and bass fishing. And you can also jump in your boat and head to the Bent Anchor for a beer, or to the Ash Grove Inn for a breakfast buffet, or to the White Sand Beach that's just down the lake. Thank you so much for joining me today on the tour of 560 Ohio Road in Combermere. Please visit my website at jillprice.ca for more details.